it's Lisa here with the last update of my nature wolf. And I'm finished! Woo! I'm very glad for, because this was a hell to do. There was a lot of popping drills, so I really just wanted this to be finished. But it looks very, very pretty. It looks very, very good. You can see. Beautiful. Beautiful colors and beautiful details. So I'm really happy about the finish result. But the popping drills was an issue for me on this painting. This is 50 by 50 centimeter and it has 40 colors. So, but it looks very good. So that was all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or you can comment down below, or you could subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye!